Alright guys, I got a confession. I'm not sure what to do. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Those who have clicked on it, who have started watching this video, and they're probably like, what is he talking? Okay, I am going to confess something to you, and that is, I am a little dry on ideas. I really haven't uploaded anything in a while, and I would love to say, oh, it's because I got this giant project and I couldn't upload anything about it. Got it working on, cooking in the background like some kind of I don't know, pot roast. Did pot roast cook a while? I don't know. I don't really have pot roasts in my house. Anyway, so I'd love to say that I had some kind of cool project in the background, but I don't. I don't have any cool projects in the background. I have just simply run out of ideas, and I'm running out of batteries. So I'm really making this video to confess to you guys that, and if you guys have any ideas for me. Maybe I haven't completely run out. I do have like one or two. That's about it. And I got to get to the track to make them, and I haven't been able to get to the track. Just letting you guys know. I'm still thinking about you, but yeah, I just want to know what you guys would like to see from me. Let me know down in the comments. All right, hang in there as I go through this little dry spell of not knowing what to do and in between jobs and not being able to put as much effort to this as I would like. This channel seems to go from like highs and lows. This came from a high. I was uploading like twice a week for a while, then it was once a week, and now it's like nothing. So ideas down in the comments. I'm just repeating myself. Thank you guys for watching so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see what happens next, and the like button. And when you guys are done subscribing, don't forget to hit that bell right next to the subscribe button so you guys can be notified every time that I upload something. Boom! And I'll see you guys next week or at the track. Alright?